everybody, I'm Kim from Tall Mouse Creative Arts and welcome. We have a brand new product we would like to share with you today. It is an A2 card base and layering dies. So if you're an A2 card lover, we are going to help you out and make your life a lot easier. And if you're not an A2 card lover, well, take a look and let's see if this can help you out as well. So an A2 card is a finished size of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and we've created a few sets that are bases and pre-measured layering dies, so you can take all the measuring and you can throw that out the window because it's already done for you. So let's come on in and take a closer look. So we've got a few sets to show you, and this is a set that's been dismantled so we can take a look at it. The base is going to cut out straight around here, and then we have a score line in the middle to make it very easy for you to cut your card out and then score line in the middle, fold it, and you're ready to go. That would be your card base. The one I'm showing you right now will have a stitched layer. So it's got two different layers right here and then a dotted layer, which you can see my little dots already because I used it to make my sample. So stitched layer is going to come out like this. You've got stitching all the way around, and the dotted layer is going to come out like this, and it's already pre-measured, so you don't even have to think about it. You can layer it up and just get going on your card making. So I've got it folded right here. I'm going to show you the layering piece right here. Bright color so you can see the difference. And then the cool thing about it also is it can interchange, and all of these can interchange exactly. You've got your plain outside base, we've got the first layer as the dot, and then we've got the second layer as the stitch. Now let's take a look at how the die comes in a package. It's going to come like this, already adhered down. You have to dismantle your two layers right here or your two layers right here, and then you get to go to town. Now, extended plates are recommended. I'm going to put this off to the side. Extended plates are recommended when you're running it through your die cut machine. And if you notice right here, here's the score line that cut out. You do want to fold it. It's according to your score line, but you do want to take a bone folder and just give it that extra little crisp fold line right there. So let's take a look at the other styles. I just showed you the plain outside with the dots and the stitch line right here. And then our next set, again, it's going to be a plain line on the outside for the card base, but this is the torn edge, and you're going to get both sets. Torn edge with a stitch line, and then torn edge with no stitch line. The next set is a stitched outside line with an open scallop as well as a regular type of scallop. Again, two sets and two sets right here. And then the next set, we have a cornered or curved cornered, rounded corner. And then we've got a dotted set and we have a stitched set. So I want to show you how you can interchange these. We can take that particular set and put a piece right here, which is very popular. We can do the torn edge, so we get a corner, corner, and then a torn edge. Or you can even, let's put this off to the side, you can layer this guy down. We can layer that if you'd like, or we can layer this and you can have 1, 2, 3 different types of edges going on. So they're designed to mix and match. If you like to do one, that's great. If you want to do multiples, you can do that as well. And then we're going to come down here. This is our scalloped, and I wanted to show you what it looks like when it comes out of the die cut piece. You can see that score line right there, and you're just going to fold on that score line. Give it a crease like that, or certainly use your Teflon bone folder and give it a solid crease. So this one is a really fun one too. The scallop, so we've got a dotted layer, or we've got our stitched layer because we love our stitched look and we love our dotted look as well. And then I made a sample right here because of course you can use your printed paper cutting it out. So I made my card base, I did the dot, and I wanted those flowers to show. So I don't want to put any layer on here. I'm going to put my sentiment. So I decided to put my layering on the inside, and I did my dot and then I did my stitch right there, so then I can put another sentiment. Yes, I want to use my printed paper. And then the last set we have right now would be a dotted edge, which we can go ahead and fold that right there. I'm going to use my bone folder to crease that. And then this one is a dotted scalloped edge on one side, and then, how fun is that? And then this, I call it the loop-de-loo because I think it's just fun, very party, very festive look. So we have a little loop-de-loo, and then that would be your second layering with dots all the way around. So let's come over and look at it as a finished sample as well. So I've got that piece. So you can go horizontal as well as vertical. You can certainly do that. And then remember, you can use your Judikins A2 envelope template as well to make sure your brand new A2 cards go into an envelope that you made to match your card as well. So we hope you enjoy the A2 card base and layering dies, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.